Greetings everyone, in today's video I will show you how to enable or disable NSFW on Telegram. Before we get started, please subscribe our YouTube channel. So first of all, go to your Telegram application and the three dots on the left top of the screen. When you click it and go to the setting option, you can just scroll to down and we just click on it, the privacy and security option here, and we will just find here the sensitive comments or sensitive content option here. Let me just do that. It's sensitive. Where we have to go, we have tiers: privacy, security, chat, settings, device. So basically we just have to do one thing. We have to switch it on and you can see it from here and you can set it from here. So this is the way how to enable or disable NSFW on Telegram. Thanks for watching this video.